Welcome to my next motovlog. It's November the 11th, and I'm just taking advantage of the good weather again and going down to the store for some milk. So it looks like we're in for some cold weather coming in next week. Past couple of days it's been highs of 20, 23. I believe highs next week of 0 Celsius. So hence taking advantage of this warmer weather and going for another scooter ride. After last week's snow, I actually packed the scooter away in the shed and I was ready to get it all prepped for the winter. I hadn't quite got to the stage of taking the battery out and everything, so the other day when it looked like it was going to be good weather, I took it back out again. A beautiful afternoon. It's about, it's almost 3 o'clock actually. Later than I thought. So November 11th, Remembrance Day. There are so many memories that anybody that has been associated with war in the past or now, they have memories that need remembering and respecting. We should never forget that. Man, what a brilliant day. So I'm going to go down to the local store in Lanark, Ontario. We live way in the sticks, so when I say local store, I'm talking 15 minutes of driving. But I don't think I'd live anywhere else. I've always loved to be out in nature, and now I'm actually living in the middle of it. I used to enjoy living in the cities too. That does have its appeal. I'm thinking maybe I'll take a way into Lanark that I don't usually go. I usually just pop down to the 511, the highway that comes down from north to south. But I think we'll just pop on this second concession here. Just to change things up, which is always nice to do. Looks like it's a unmaintained road through here. Oh, this is nice. Love it. Whoa. This is great. Living here all this time, I've never explored this road. A little mud going on here too. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Wow. Whoa, very muddy. Didn't expect that. Kind of edge our way through here. Hey, slip sliding away. Get a little air. All right. Awesome. A few rocks down here too. Oh, this is cool back here. And a little bit more mud and wetness. Oh, there's a big puddle up ahead. Could be interesting. Oh, well. Okay, that's good. I'm assuming this is going to be solid in there too. Whoa, it's deep. Woo! Oh man. Ooh. Almost wish I'd had the other camera going. Didn't even bring it this time. Get an outside view of that. That was awesome. I think that was the deepest puddle I've ever been through with it. Oh yeah, off-roading. Adventure bike. Ha. So, review of the Honda SH150i. Can it go off-road? Damn right. Some knobby tires would be good, but as long as you take it slow and easy. Well, this is quite the track. Didn't expect to be doing any off-roading, just going down to get some milk. Go figure, eh? Okay. This looks like back on the civilized gravel roads. Oh man, that was awesome. Even this part of the road is nice. Not as gnarly, but except for that bump. Man, oh man. This is a nice road. I like this.
here we are in the village of Lanark, Ontario. This is my destination for today. I did not take the easiest route, but I took the funnest route. Thank you for joining me, if you did. If you didn't, well, you don't know what you're missing. Hope to see you again. Stay safe. And keep everybody else safe. Follow the rules and we'll all get through this. Anyway, they all take care and thanks for watching.